Section 3, Video 3, Virtual Network Design Rules. In this video, we will understand virtual network design rules in order to avoid any kind of issues. A quick overview. A virtual standard switch has 120 ports by default. Virtual machine uplinks each use a port on the virtual switch. As we add more devices, those ports get used up. Virtual switch supports VLANs, IEEE 802.1q. A virtual network allows connectivity between virtual machines on the same host, virtual machines on different hosts, and virtual machines and external systems. Let's have a look at virtual network design rules. The objective is to design the virtual network with no loops. In order to do that, we need to follow some rules. Traffic received over one uplink is not sent out another uplink. A virtual switch cannot be connected to another virtual switch. These steps and these rules ensure that there are no loops in the environment. A virtual switch doesn't run STP, which is the spanning tree protocol. The advantage is that the virtual switch is simpler in design and we avoid those loops. A virtual switch with no uplinks is a valid configuration. An uplink cannot connect to two virtual switches at the same time. However, a virtual switch can have up to 32 virtual NICs in NIC teaming fashion to provide load balancing at the switch level. Let's have a look at this picture where they show communication between VM1 and VM2, which are on two different ESXi hosts. In order to communicate, they have to go through their each virtual switches through the ESXi physical NIC onto the physical switch on the external network, and then back again the same path to the other host. In this graphic, we show the two VMs communicating with each other on the same host. However, as they are on different port groups, they still need to go out to the external network for that traffic to flow. This ensures that there are no looping that can occur and bring down the network. This picture shows another important design rule, which is not allow connectivity between two virtual switches on the same host. As you can see, this eliminates any type of looping and ensures that the network is reliable and issue-free. A quick summary: understand virtual network design rules and ensure that the objective is to have no loops. Review use cases and scenarios, and we looked at virtual network design best practices. In the next video, video 4, we will review networking maximums. Thank you for watching.